This is how simple backyard cucumber garden is prepared. So you have your vermicast, that is my vermicast. You have the seeds of cucumber, and you have the soil, topsoil, and you have your vegetable tray where your seeds will momentarily grow. First is you have to mix this vermi and topsoil. So after mixing the soil and the vermi, you have now a mixture of the soil and the vermi. Place it on the tray. So if this is your tray, place a little portion of the soil, just enough, when that will allow you to place your seeds. This is your cucumber seeds. Then put one seeds in every hole. One seeds in every hole. So that's it. After placing seeds of cucumber in every hole of the tray, cover it again with soil. So here we are placing soil. This is a mixture of vermicast and topsoil. This is just a backyard, simple farm, backyard garden, so no need to. Then after this, add a little water. Let's water our newly planted cucumber. And after watering it, let's leave it for some time for it to grow. So we will place it here. On a semi-shaded portion so it can grow before we transplant it in the garden.